Okay, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to change the color of text in a piece of artwork. This is a JPEG. When I saved the JPEG, I did make sure that it was the highest quality and 300 dpi. So starting with a good quality JPEG or other file will mean that we're more likely to get a good quality outcome at the end of it. So I did use two different fonts. One of them has kind of rough edges. It is supposed to be like that. It was like that in the original document. The other one has smooth edges, so you can see the quality is pretty good. So I'm going to zoom out. So Command minus on the Mac, Control minus on the PC. So I'm going to go to my default um, cursor selection tool, and I'm just going to select there, and my quick actions will come up here on the side. Now if they weren't here for some reason, I still would be able to find them by going to my drop down menus. So I'm going to select image trays, and I'm going to go to silhouettes, because unless your text has some variations in color or anything like that, basically silhouettes is going to be the cleanest way to trace it, and it's pretty fast. So if I wanted my text in black, this would be fine. I will just go to File, go to Export, Export As, and I'm going to select PNG and export. So that's giving me a transparent background. If I wanted something else, I could select it here, but this is fine. Okay. So now, if I wanted to select a different color other than black, I still can do that. I can expand. That has turned these words into shapes, basically. And at the same time, they were automatically grouped. So when something is grouped, it means that when I select part of it, it's selecting everything. If I move it, and in order to move it, I actually have to click right on a part of the text. It will move everything. But I just want to color one of the words individually. So I'm going to go to Ungroup. I can do it in quick actions, or I can go to Object up here, Object, Ungroup. And now I'm able to select parts of this individually, and if I keep my Shift pressed down on my keyboard, I can then go through and cumulatively select this whole word. So if I want to change the color of this word, I can now click on my fill, but I'm going to demonstrate what will happen though if I do this. Oh no, it changed it to grey. So I'm actually going to go to my color menu here, and I'm going to go here to this little menu on the side, and it's showing that because we picked silhouette, it basically the color mode is grayscale, and that's not what we want now. We want it to be color. So when I did switch it to RGB mode, it then switched the color, and then I can choose any color I like now. And I can also do it here, which gives me another way to find the exact color that I like. Okay, so I've done that. I would like to regroup this word, so I will go to Object and Group, and now I can move the word all at the same time again. So this is now ungrouped, so I'm just going to select one letter here, and again my color panel is still open, so I'll go to this little menu on the top right, and I will change the color mode, and I'll just change a single letter. So if you wanted to, each letter could be a different color. It's kind of a wacky color. Okay, so now I'm going to go to File, Export again, and again I'm going to export it as a PNG. Oops. Okay. Okay, and now I'll just have a quick look at these just to make sure that, okay, and the quality seems to be quite good. And if I zoom out, it's probably looking better. It really is pretty indistinguishable from the original. And then here's the other one. Okay. Okay, and that's it.